Hello, today is May 23rd, and the bird of the day is the blue-gray gnatcatcher, which I saw in those woods at 6 a.m. this morning, flitting around. The blue-gray gnatcatcher, Polioptila caerulea, common in wet deciduous woods or thickets, usually solitary, but may join loose flocks of warblers and kinglets. Moves briskly and erratically through middle to upper level twigs in search of small insects. Very small, with long, conspicuous black and white tail, pale blue-gray back, and pale blue-gray back and white eye ring. Voice, song a steady series of mainly thin, wheezy notes interspersed with high chips and slurs. Call a very thin, nasal "siuv" or "siuv, zip, zip." The blue-gray gnatcatcher for a beautiful May day.